health and well-being, deep breaths for calm, and olbi and were. Once upon a Saturday, deep within the tranquil garden of serenity, resided a young girl named Maya. She was known for her kindness and curiosity, but lately she felt overwhelmed by worries about school and friends. As she strolled through the garden of serenity, Maya's heart raced, her breathing shallow and quick. She sat down on a soft mossy bench under the shade of an old willow tree. Suddenly a wise and gentle owl named Oleta swooped down from her perch and landed on Maya's knee. "Maya," she crooned softly, "I see that you are troubled. Have you tried my secret breathing technique?" Maya tilted her head, intrigued by Oleta's question. "What is this secret breathing technique?" she asked, her voice barely a whisper. Oleta closed her eyes and took a deep breath in, filling her chest with air. She slowly let it out, making the leaves rustle as she did so. Maya watched as Oleta demonstrated the technique and decided to give it a try. She took a deep breath in, feeling her chest expand, and slowly let it out, making the leaves dance around her. As she repeated the technique several times, Maya felt a sudden sense of calm wash over her. Her shoulders dropped, and her once worried expression turned serene. Oleta smiled warmly at Maya, who returned her smile. They sat together in silence for a few moments, enjoying the tranquility of the Garden of Serenity. Before Maya stood up to leave, Oleta spoke again. "Remember, whenever you feel overwhelmed, find a quiet place like this one and practice my breathing technique." Maya nodded and smiled at Oleta before standing up and waving. She took one last look at the beautiful Garden of Serenity before turning and leaving, feeling lighter than ever before. Later that week, during recess at school, Maya could be found on the playground practicing her newfound breathing technique. Her classmates gathered around, watching with curiosity. As she guided them through the steps, her once anxious friends began to relax and breathe deeply. The stress and tension that had been present in the playground vanished, replaced by a sense of calm and peace.